Let's take a look. Oh yeah, this looks perfect. Hi friends, I'm Chef Daniella Malfitano and welcome to My Choice Kitchen. This is a space for choosing joy. And today, we are gonna make a delicious 5-minute chocolate pudding. It is so simple. Here are all the ingredients you need to make this recipe. And the star of the show, well, it happens to be the California avocado. This is my favorite food and my favorite fruit. And I'll show you that it's perfect for chocolate pudding. Are you ready to start cooking? Let's go. Let's start with the avocado. Twist it open. Perfect. I'm gonna take the pit out. All you do, whack it, twist it. Done. I'm gonna hit the edge of the knife. Watch this. And it goes. Now I'm using cocoa powder here, and all I need is 3 tablespoons for every avocado. This makes 2 servings. I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons of agave nectar here, and I love Sovia agave, and I'm using the vanilla agave. There's nothing in here other than natural vanilla flavor and agave nectar. This is about 1/3 less sugar per gram per serving than you would get in maple syrup or regular granulated sugar. Okay, we need our flavor agent. I'm gonna use some kosher salt for this, and just a ½ teaspoon is all we need. Next, I want some vanilla extract. I know we've already used vanilla agave, but this just adds a little bit more of a vanilla kiss. It's perfect for chocolate pudding. So ½ teaspoon. Okay, we need a little bit of citrus, so lemon juice. I'm gonna slice off a cheek. And I'm not using a whole lot of meat here in this lemon, but watch. Look how much juice I get. Here we go. Turn it and squeeze it the other direction. And you get more juice. Amazing. Compost. Okay, I'm gonna blend it up in my little baby food processor. And all I'm looking for is that it's silky smooth. Take a look at this, we're halfway done. It's kind of chunky, but you do want to open it up halfway through just to make sure that it's all blending well. I like to take my spatula, run it around the side, and then finish it off. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, this looks perfect. Can you see that? I'm gonna just like scoop around. Do you see that it's just super smooth? That's what we want. This is ready. Okay, I'm gonna show you the best way to get the pudding into your cups for serving. I like to make a homemade pastry bag. So I take a Ziploc bag just like this, and I flip the top edge just right over, and then make a base and set it down right on my cutting board. And then using a spatula, I'm just going to grab this pudding right around the blade, really gently, really easily. Got a little bit of this pudding into the bag, and I can pull it off. And make sure you get it all. You do not want to waste any of this chocolate pudding goodness. Zip it shut. Take some of the air or most of the air out, and either or, doesn't matter. One of the tips, you wanna snip the corner right off. That's it. Throw this away, this little plastic piece. Don't let that float around. It might end up in your food. And you've got yourself a homemade pastry bag. So to garnish this dish, I'm actually gonna use California fresh marigolds, some flowers that are totally edible. Aren't these pretty? And I'm using these wooden little dishes, these little cups. I love these. Take your pudding, grab all of it, bring it to the edge where you've snipped, turn the top so that it's just coming out of the edge, and start to pipe it in. Watch. Voila. How nice is that? One more time. This is really, really fun to do. Instant gratification, right? It's like, oh man, that looks amazing. So to garnish, I'm gonna grab these flowers. Look at how big this marigold is. I'm actually gonna remove some of the petals. You can just pluck them right off. And I like to pluck them and get this little bit of root of the petal. It's crunchy and delicious. Trust me on this. Oh wow, you can even like smell it as they're coming off. Want to smell, Danny?
Yeah.
Okay, smell.
Yum.
Fresh, right? It kind of smells like lemon, kind of like orange. And use a couple of these petals and simply garnish it wherever it may fall. Kind of just like lay it flat onto the pudding. And you can also take a whole flower, maybe pop it right in. Well, these look delicious and adorable. One final thing, we can't eat this pudding without a spoon. How about a sustainable, edible chocolate spoon? It doesn't get any better than this. Chocolate spoon for chocolate pudding. Yum. Well, hello, family.
We are here waiting for you.
You really are. Hi, Boo. This is not for doggies, but you can smell it. Here's your chocolate pudding.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. It looks delicious. But before we dig in, let's just take a second to give this food a little gratitude. Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Here we go.
It is so chocolatey. And tastes just like pudding. I would never know that there's avocado in this.
You cannot tell.
Mm-mm.
Whoa.
Not at all.
Amazing.
It just tastes like wonderful pudding.
I make this a lot, but every single time I'm like, is it gonna taste too much like something else? And every single time I'm pleasantly surprised.
Yeah. Booze, I think, done.
Ooh, you're done?
I don't taste the lemon.
No.
No.
It's there though.
Mm-hmm.
It really helps to sort of like accentuate the flavor, but ooh, it's really chocolatey. It's luscious.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, very rich. This is the exact right amount.
That's all you need.
So what is this chocolate spoon?
This is edible cutlery by Planeteer. It's a really cool new company. They're on a mission to help create sustainable cutlery. Here's a fun fact.
Okay.
Did you know that every single year, 40 billion pieces of plastic cutlery are used?
Wow.
That's a lot. The cool thing is, he's helping to change the world, like one piece of like utensil at a time.
So I can just like take a bite of this?
You can take a full bite out of it. It kind of tastes like a graham cracker, but like a lot more firm. It actually takes 45 minutes to decompose in...
I think I have chocolate mouth. Sorry.
In using like, eating it with cold food and 25 minutes with warm food. And this is the chocolate flavor. I love these things. And
pretty cool. So you're wearing this awesome shirt that says "Simplicity is key."
Do you like it?
And well, I love that it matches the avocado as well. But what does that mean to you? Why is simplicity key?
I love this shirt. And I love recipes like this. And simplicity for me is so meaningful because it's the way that I keep coming back to doing good for my body. Eating good food for me means cooking really simple food. I feel like it's like my mission, sort of what my philosophy is to make it as simple as possible. That's the only way that I know that you'll like it, that I'll keep coming back to it and doing it. If we keep it simple, we will do it. If it's too complicated, you just end up not doing it.
Right.
Right?
People live busy lives,
They
right?
do.
When you're asking people to cook, right? Simplicity is key.
It really is. All right, well, we hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Danny, did you like it?
I loved it.
He's into it. And I hope that you try it because you might be into it too. Come back for more, you guys. We have so much in store for you here at My Choice Kitchen. And until next time, well, let's rejoice in choice. Bye, friends.